Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Leili and today we are going to finish the plan we started in the previous videos. As you can see, with some simple orders, we drew a very simple house, which I downloaded the plan from Google Image, something very simple. We use the orders such as line, copy, move, rotate, scale, and we even learned about how to hatch our walls. But today we want to actually furnish our plan and make it look like a house. So for having the furniture you need for different apartments, complex, even gym, school, whatever you need, there are some blocks on the internet which you can download for free. So all you're gonna do is go to your browser and search DWG blocks free download, or even sometimes you can search what you want. For example, I need maybe cars or furniture, maybe desk, maybe furniture for school, whatever you want. You can actually search it, and there are some sites which give you these blocks for free, and you can download them. They are in the shape of the actual AutoCAD format, and you can easily open it. So I will show you that later, but as you can see, when you want the blocks, I'm going to show you the images. There are millions and billions of different blocks full of everything that you're gonna need, and you can easily use them. As you can see, I have a bus here, or maybe furniture, sometimes sofas, toilets, everything. And as you can see, we have the section and we have the plan, which is very useful. So you can download whatever you want and whatever you need from your browser. That's not something hard. Right here I have a collection of blocks which I gathered myself from different places, from my different and as you can see, I have whatever I need right here. It's a small collection, but it's the suitable collection for me. So for bringing blocks and stuff from here, let me zoom in here. Great. For bringing blocks from one AutoCAD page to another AutoCAD page, there are different methods, but I'm going to teach you all of them, and I'm going to tell you which one is the best. So all I'm going to do is right now go to this blocks, and I'm gonna just look at my plan. Okay, I need a bed for this room. Just let's focus on that one. So I'm gonna choose one of these beds. I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna select it. As you can see in this block, it's actually a group, and it's easy for me. I don't need to select different stuff. So I'm just gonna select this one, and this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna click right on this, and here I have an option, clipboard. I can cut it, copy it, or copy it with base point. The best one is to copy with the base point, because when you do this, you know exactly where your block is going to be in the other AutoCAD page. Let's do this right now, and I will show you the difference. So I'm going to copy this with base point. It will ask me to choose a base point. So I'm going to just choose this point because it's more obvious, and I'm just going to click this. Nothing will happen here. I'm going to come back to my other page. Let me go a little bit further. I'm going to click right, and as you can see, I have the option clipboard here. Here I have paste. So when I click on paste, as you can see, the end of my mouse, or my mouse is exactly on the place I want it to be, so I can just put this wherever I want. But if I don't copy this with base point and just use clipboard and copy, I will go to my other page and again I will click right, clipboard, and paste. As you can see, there is a difference, there is a distance between my mouse and my block, so it's harder to spot where I want to put it. So right now I just taught you how to bring this to another page with clipboard. So again, click right, clipboard. It's better to copy with base point, and you will choose a base point and easily come to other page, click right, clipboard, and paste. And as you can see, it's exactly where I chose the base point. There are other methods to copy a block from another place to your page, but again, I don't recommend it. Like, as you know, in Office application softwares, we have this Control V, which I just clicked on Control V, and you come to the page you want and click on Control C and Control V. As you can see, again, we don't have a specific base point in here, so I don't recommend it. For example, if I just Control C this one, come back to this page and Control V, as you can see, there is some distance between my block and my mouse. See, this was where my mouse was and this is my block. So sometimes it's when you know where you want to put this in, it's better to copy it with base point, but sometimes you just want to copy like 10 different objects and just bring it to your other page and just have them all here. See, if you don't copy with base point, they're going to be in different spots. So it totally depends on you. Right now I want to do it little by little, so I'm just going to choose a bedroom, a clipboard, copy with base point, this base point, come back here and paste, clipboard and paste. Okay, now as you can see, I have a huge problem here. The scale of these two things are not the same. So this is scaled as I want it to be, but if I measure this one, you can see my bed is about 3.5 meters, which doesn't make sense. So this is a little bit too big. I'm gonna scale this. So as I told you, the command is SC. You're gonna choose whatever you want, and then you're gonna pick a point. Since I know how much bigger or smaller I want this to be, I want this to be half the size. So I'm just gonna go with 0.5, and I think that's good enough for me. Again, the bed should go in the bedroom, and it should be rotated. So I'm gonna put in RO and choose a base point, and because my ortho is on, I'm just easily gonna turn this a little bit and we'll be done. Next command is move. Let's see if I can fit my huge bed into my bedroom. Okay, as you can see, I can fit this, but it is a little bit bigger than I expected. So maybe this is not the right bed for me. I'm just gonna choose something a little bit smaller. Maybe this one. So copy, and I don't need a base point because I know it's big, so I'm gonna scale it, and it's gonna be half. Again, rotate it and turn on my ortho, and great. So I'm just gonna move this because I want it to be exactly against the wall, near the wall. I'm gonna choose a base point and just put these two together. Oh, it's out of the page, so let's come a little bit inside. Now I have my bed, easy peasy, piece of cake. Well, if it was me, I would just put this here, so it would make more sense to me. It's not in front of the door, but do whatever feels right to you. So here I have another desk table. Maybe it's a makeup um, desk, but I don't want to bring anything from my blocks because it was just a rectangle. So I'm just gonna put the order here rec, which means rectangle, and I'm gonna choose my base point because I want to give it dimensions. I'm gonna choose D. So dimension, and I want it to be maybe 40 centimeters to 80 centimeters. It's a little bit small, so again rectangle. I'm gonna this time choose it to be 60 centimeters and maybe 120. This makes more sense to me. Great. So as you can see, this is blue, which is my wall, and this is orange, which is my furniture. I need this one to be part of my furniture too. So I'm just going to select this and open up my layers and click on furniture. As you can see, this is a part of my furniture too. So I'm gonna fast forward the video from now on because it's going to be the same copying and pasting format, and I just want you to see what's gonna happen. Okay, so as you can see, I just fast forwarded you to the part I finished furnishing. I did change a couple of things in this house, but that's just up to you. One other thing that I want to tell you is that most of the time we have a different kind of hatch for our bathroom to show that this is a wet area, and so I'm just gonna create another layer called hatch. Most of the time it's gray, and just gonna click on this, close this. Remember, if I don't close this part when I want to hatch it, I will have some problems. Let me just show you a good hatch. I'm gonna go with this one. Yeah, I'm just gonna make it a little bit bigger. So enter, and I'm happy with this. Okay, so I'm happy with this, but as you can see, I will hatch this part, but there is a small part here which I should hatch, but it starts hatching the whole house. So all you're gonna do is just to click on the line and close this part. I'm gonna do, yeah, here or here. I'm okay with here. Okay, so I'm just gonna close it here. As you can see, I just drew a line, and then I'm gonna click on hatch this and hatch this, and as you can see, oh, we have a, see, there are some problems with hatches. Sometimes you have to make sure that this didn't happen, so just let's do it one more time. It happens because it's a very hard command, and it takes, now this time is correct, see, and we have problem here. It might take a couple of tries, because yeah, now this time is good. It might take a couple of tries because hatch is a very complicated command, and this might happen sometimes, but it will be okay. Just make sure that the boundary is set and it's a closed area. So as you can see, this is what I wanted to draw. We don't have this here, but I just prefer to do that. We have a porch right here, so just easy, another layer, call it porch, and I'm gonna go with green. I'm fine with green. Set the thickness, I'm gonna go with 4, and the line type is continuous. Remember to just click on this one. So I'm just gonna draw 2 lines. As you can see, they are very big, and just use the command fillet, F space, to fillet these two together. I do have a couple of chairs here, so let me find 2 nice chairs, so the people can rest. Copy this because I want to scale it. I didn't copy it with base point. I'm gonna scale it to the half of the dimension it is, and gonna move it here and copy another one about 1 meter. So yeah, this is our small little house. This was how to draw a house with very simple commands. In my next videos, I'm gonna show you some other tricks, other commands, and we're going to get a little bit more professional. Thank you for being with me until here. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.